Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM Certified 2018 GMC Terrain SLE, stock number Z70738. Only 3,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Terrain brand new, red quartz in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Terrain is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5 with a cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. This Terrain also has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, lots of cargo space in the rear, and of course free of dents or dings. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Again, only 3,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, automatic transmission, USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box. There's materials inside. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and again only 3,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.